In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate eBay with your Wix website to maximize the potential of your online store. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring that you feel confident in making the most out of Wix's e-commerce tools to enhance your business. First things first, let's get ourselves logged into Wix. Simply head to the Wix website and use your credentials to sign in to your account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to go through the simple sign up process before following along with this tutorial. Once you're logged in, you should be looking at your Wix dashboard where all the magic begins. Now, to proceed with the eBay integration, Wix offers a range of e-commerce tools and apps specifically designed to help you streamline your retail efforts. To find these, you'll want to navigate to the app market from your dashboard. It's typically located on the side menu. Keep an eye out for an icon that looks like a small market or storefront. Inside the app market, use the search bar to locate eBay integration apps. There are several different apps available that can facilitate this process, so take a moment to read through some descriptions and reviews to find one that best suits your needs. When you're making your choice, remember to think about the features you'll need and how those will align with your business goals. Once you've decided, click the Add button to install the app to your website. With the eBay app installed on your Wix account, it's time to connect your actual eBay account. Usually, the next steps involve opening the app you've added and finding an option that offers to connect or link your eBay account. Clicking on this will redirect you to a login page for eBay where you'll need to enter your eBay credentials to authorize the connection. Don't worry, this is a secure process and it simply enables Wix to access your eBay information so it can sync with your site. Once connected, it's time for one of the most important steps, syncing your products. This feature is fantastic because it allows you to display all your eBay listings directly on your Wix site. Inside the app, look for a sync or import button. When you find it, clicking here will start the process of importing your products from eBay to your Wix site, making sure your inventory is consistent and up to date across both platforms. It's a seamless way to expand your market reach and simplify how you manage your products. And there you have it. By following these steps, your Wix site is now successfully integrated with eBay. This powerful connection helps you manage your inventory and sales more effectively, giving you more time to focus on growing your business. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!